trees are blowing, Mother Nature softly keeps on showing. She whispers gently for my soul to see just how grateful I could truly be. The sky above and the earth below teach me things I need to know. Every sunrise, every sea is another gift surrounding me. The archangels watch over planet Earth, ready to help. They know our worth. When we ask, no task too great, their love arrives, it never waits. Love everlasting, faithful and true, a light that always carries you. The archangels only know love's way. Their light is with us every day. It's hard when your heart has been broken apart, and you wonder why God feels so far. You ask if there's a God above. Why am I still longing for His love? But every trial, every tear shakes the soul from year to year. Every lesson, every pain can help us rise and love again. For every experience we live and see is part of learning who we're meant to be. God's master plan unfolds with time, even through the hardest climb. People hurt people, that's free will's choice. Yet God still calls with a gentle voice. All you need is humbly pray. Lord, let your will lead my way. The rain is falling, the trees still sway. Mother Nature speaks each day. The archangels walk beside our soul, guiding hearts and making us whole. Love everlasting, forever bright, leading us toward hope and light. When faith feels small, just trust and